Ever felt the sting of your Canon EOS RP battery dying just as the perfect shot appears? Today, we're diving deep into how to keep your beloved Canon EOS RP powered up and ready to capture those critical moments for longer. First, let's talk about the screen. Head into the menu. Navigate to the display control or screen settings option and adjust your screen brightness. Lowering it just a notch can make a surprisingly big difference. Next, power saving is your best friend. Find the power saving or auto power off setting here. You can shorten the duration before your camera automatically shuts down when not in use. Setting it to a shorter interval, like 1 or 3 minutes, is a game changer. Now, let's get specific about shooting modes. The live view mode, while convenient, consumes more power than using the electronic viewfinder. Whenever possible, switch to using the viewfinder to conserve battery. Also, be mindful of Wi-Fi and Bluetooth if you're not actively using them for image transfer or remote control. Turn them off. You'll find these options in the wireless communication settings menu. For those long shoots, consider investing in extra genuine Canon LP17 batteries. Having a spare, fully charged battery is the ultimate insurance against power depletion. Finally, check your firmware. Canon occasionally releases updates that can improve power efficiency. Visit the Canon support website for your EOS RP and see if there's a newer version available. By implementing these simple tips, you can significantly extend the life of your Canon EOS RP battery and never miss a moment again. Happy shooting!